Harrison, you sleepy? Huh? Are you ready for night-night? Huh? You tired? Are you tired? Huh? Are you tired? No, you gotta finish eating your snack though, huh? You gotta finish eating your snack. It's hard, huh? You okay? Harrison. Alright, you want Mama to go take you to night-night? Hmm? You falling asleep, baby? Are you trying to eat your snack? Huh?